Can I explain like kind of the purpose of why we do these videos?
To torment us.
Yes.
I started back.
Oh, answer sucked. Cut it. Super nervous.
To look at me and you don't have to look at that.
Okay.
So
Oh, I didn't spill on my shirt at lunch today. I did. No.
I can't see.
Good.
Yeah, no, it's black.
I can't see down there. So let's just start easy. Let's just start with your name and the position that you have here. Whenever you're ready.
Oh, we're going now? Okay. Okay, how do I make that sound natural? I don't know.
If I could choose one superhuman power, I would choose to fly.
I'm gonna call Heath and make him figure it out for me.
Yes.
Hey Heath, can you look up my profile and see when I started here at Veriha? They're recording me this whole time, by the way.
Did I start in November 2024?
What the part? Okay.
We can cut it in.
Alright, hopefully this is not one take.
From my driver, wait, no, hold on. I forget.
I don't remember my answer. Yeah, I'm second. Just stop. So.
Love that. I feel like you need to come through. You can come through.
So you're the only one who knows what this gentleman needs to know.
I started here at Veriha as a support person. How do you how do you have the patience for this, Allison?
Alright,
Yeah, it's going horribly.
thank you.
Yeah. Let's not wait until it happens.
Jason! Just kidding.
And I thought he was gonna try to
I didn't see the sign on the door that said, important interview in progress.
Anything else that you would like to add?
Can we start all over?